So let's take a look at finding your favorite cycles. It's simple. We're just going to turn the dial to the right, and the first cycle to appear in the lineup is the normal cycle. You will see a quick description of the normal cycle right underneath the word normal. And you can see the recommended settings that are already in the options panel for that cycle. I personally really love how it tells you what the cycle is and how easy it is to customize a cycle option like a soil level. You can easily customize any of these settings in the cycle by tapping the options panel to the right. And because I've determined that the garment I'm washing needs it, I'm going to go ahead and increase the soil level to 5 for the highest possible soil level. Now on the normal setting, you can customize any of these settings. And around 10 cycles will be preloaded in your dial. As you use your dial, you'll find that your favorite and most used cycles will automatically move to an earlier position in the dial. The levels of customization do vary by cycle. For example, when we turn to the delicate cycle, you'll notice that the temperature can only be increased between 1, 2, and 3, but not 4 and 5. My go-to is actually AI wash, so I don't have to worry about changing any of the settings. But check out the rest of the cycles on your own, and in a future video, I'll show you how to add and remove cycles.